Hello, this is Lauren coming at you again with another installation of Poetry with Lauryn. Tonight we're just going to focus on this candle because I'm still getting a little bit of tech worked out in terms of being able to read some voiceovers over some of my brother's digital artwork at the moment. And there may be some other things that we focus on imagery-wise in the videos. But today this really goes with my poem. So I had started out, I was going to tell you guys what the poem was about, but then I thought back to the days where I read a lot of poetry, and I thought about how I like to kind of have my own interpretation of poems, and how I think that that's really important. And I feel like with this one, I want people to be able to take what they want or need from the poem rather than me telling you. However, I'll give you a few ideas and themes before I start reading to you. So this poem, if you read it, it's kind of about some current events in the state of the world that we're in right now. You can kind of make your own interpretation from that before I get entirely too political. The other thing that this is about is social justice. So think about, when I think about that, I think about like my undergrad degree, where as social workers, we defined social justice in the textbook definition, which is where everyone has what they need in a society, as well as everyone's treated equally. So that's like kind of the definition I'm operating from. And the third sort of entity that I was thinking of when I wrote this was the goddess Hestia from the Greek pantheon. And as some of you may know, she is the tender of the hearth in both the home and the political arenas. So I'm going to read you this poem, and I've called it The Mysteries of Fire. Does this fire ever completely go out? Its embers have no flames but still glow red. A woman sits by and tends this fire. There's still hope, she said. She continues to work and keeps warm by the coals. She said there's a fire in her heart lit long ago. She told me to sit and keep warm. She said she plans to keep herself warm and let the fire in her heart shine and glow. Then this woman continues to work, and I can feel the warmth too. Some parts of this world are cold and dark, she reminded me, but it was something I already knew. But then she asked me, did you know that you can share this heat? Did you know it can go all over the world? Did you know that you can share it with each person you meet? I told her I was aware, but was needing a reminder to not just say my prayers, but that prayers were something that you also needed to do. She told me that now I remembered I could share this warmth, and stated this spark can begin in each person, but today it starts with you. So drop me a comment, tell me if you have any interpretations about this poem, maybe what you got out of it, maybe what your thoughts are, and I will see you guys next time.